Hey, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a delicious journey into the world of Korean Kimbap. But hold on tight, because we've got some fascinating unknown facts about this iconic dish that will leave you hungry for more. So, let's roll into the world of Kimbap and uncover its delightful secrets. Kimbap, the quintessential Korean rice roll, might seem like a recent creation, but its origins date back centuries. Inspired by the Japanese dish norimaki, Kimbap first appeared during the Goryeo dynasty, making it a historical treasure on your plate. The key to achieving that flawless Kimbap roll lies in perfectly seasoned rice. Apart from the usual vinegar, sugar, and salt, a lesser-known secret ingredient is sesame oil. It adds a rich nutty flavor and enhances the overall taste of your kimbap. Creating a picture-perfect kimbap roll is an art form in itself. Did you know that some professional kimbap chefs are judged based on the uniformity and precision of their rolls? It's not just a meal, it's a work of culinary art. While the classic kimbap usually features ingredients like bulgogi, marinated beef, vegetables, and pickled radish, there's a world of exciting variations to explore. From spicy tuna and kimchi to seafood and cheese, Kimbap caters to a wide range of taste preferences. Kimbap's convenient and portable nature has made it a beloved choice for picnics, lunches, and on-the-go snacks. It's like a flavorful sushi burrito that's perfect for any adventure. Beyond its gastronomic appeal, Kimbap holds cultural significance in Korean society. It is often prepared for special occasions, family gatherings, and even for children's lunchboxes, symbolizing care and affection. Kimbap's popularity isn't confined to Korea alone. As Korean culture spreads globally, so does the love for this delightful dish. In some countries, it's known as Korean sushi, introducing a fusion of flavors from Korea to the world. Ready for a spicy kimbap challenge? Some adventurous foodies have taken it to the next level by creating extreme kimbap rolls loaded with extra spicy fillings. It's a roller coaster of flavors and heat that truly tests one's taste buds. And there you have it, folks. The captivating world of Korean Kimbap, with its historical roots, precise rolling techniques, and global appeal. Have you tried Kimbap before? Share your favorite fillings in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tantalizing food adventures. Until next time, keep exploring the culinary wonders of the world.